Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Teharin H Desai. Title of the paper is Sublethal Effect of Methanol on Catalase Activity of Serenus brigella. Methanol is an organic solvent used in different industries for manufacturing in paints, varnish removers, and spirits. The large amount of methanol is found in industrial wastewater. The excessive use of such chemical contaminates terrestrial and aquatic environment. Such type of pollutants produce adverse effect on physiology of fish and alter their structural and functional status of the fish. The studies was undertaken to evaluate the catalase activity in freshwater fish Serenus brigella. Serenus brigella is used as an experimental species and methanol is used as a test chemical. Experimental fish Serenus brigella is weighing about 8 to 10 gram and 10 to 12 centimeter in length, which is collected from Government Fish Seed Production Center, Dhum, Taluka Wai, District Satara. The fishes were acclimatized for 2 weeks in laboratory condition. Fishes were exposed to sublethal concentration of methanol at is 1/20th is 0.61 and 1/10th as 1.23 ml per liter for 30 days. The estimation of catalase was carried out by the Luck method, and these values were statistically analyzed by the student t-test. Result: the obtained mean values for catalase activity in different tissues of fish Serenus brigella and the percent change as compared to the control are given in table number 1 and graphically represented in figure number 1. Table number 1, it shows effect of methanol on catalase activity in fish Serenus brigella after chronic exposure. The catalase activity was increased in liver at 1/20th and 1/10th group, and minimum catalase activity was observed in the brain at 1/20th group and gill at 1/10th group. The figure number 1, it shows the graphical representation of table number 1. In control group, the catalase activity was in order of liver, muscle, brain and gill. This order was increased in experimental group as liver, muscle, gill and brain at 1/20th group and liver, muscle, brain and gill at 1/10th group. Discussion: the catalase activity was increased in methanol stressed fish as compared to the control. The similar result reported by the Said et al. During the present study, increase in catalase level was observed. It may be due to enhanced generation of reactive oxygen species. The catalase activity was significantly increased in liver, muscle, gill and brain of the fish Serenus brigella after chronic exposure to methanol, while the fish from the control group showed minimum values for catalase activity in these tissues. The similar findings have been reported by many workers in different fishes. Conclusions: chronic exposure to methanol was shown to alter the antioxidant status of the Serenus brigella. Catalase enzyme can be potential biomarkers for early warning of adverse health effect of methanol on aquatic species. This study provided important result for evaluation of long-term impact and influence of the methanol. Antioxidant response could provide useful parameters for evaluating physiological response in Serenus brigella. They can be established as biomarkers for monitoring the aquatic environment.